Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today I wanted to share with you how to make peach freezer jam. It's simple and easy to make, and you don't have to cook it at all. And let's get started, and I'll show you an easy way to peel the peaches. Okay, this is an easy way to peel peaches. We add our peaches to boiling water and just let them boil for about 30 seconds or so until the skin's split. We don't want to cook them, just have them split. And then we take them and put them into an ice water bath and let them sit for about 3 minutes. Then, once they've sat for about 3 minutes and cooled down in the water bath, it's time for us to take one out and we're going to peel it. And as you can see, the skin just peels right off. So easy, so simple to do, just really quick and easy. And I'm using a knife here just to hold onto the skin, but you really don't need a knife at all. You could just use your fingers also, but sometimes the skin is slick. But see, the skin comes off very easily with your fingers too. And there, your peach is all peeled. Now here's another peach, and you see I didn't even have to use a knife, just pulls right off. The skin comes off very nice and easily. And then make sure to remove any stem if there's still a stem there and get rid of that. And now we're going to dice it up. And to dice it up the peach, you want to go around the peach once and then make slices all the way around the peach. And then once you're all the way around the peach, we're going to dice the peach next. You can dice it by just cutting crosswise across the slices, and it'll make a rough diced peach. You don't have to do as much cutting on the cutting board, but be careful, the peach is pretty slick and you don't want to cut your fingers. And there you go. Now you can just kind of push it off of the pit and you have a diced peach. And I'll show you that again. Go around the outside, make your slices just like that all the way around. You can make them thin or thick slices depending on how fine of a dice you want, and then crossways again. And we're just going with a knife down to the pit and working our way around. And because this is a freestone peach, it will come right off the pit very easily. And there you go. Now you have your diced or rough diced peaches. And now we're just going to use a knife to run across them a couple more times to make more of a fine dice for our jam. And that looks pretty good. And now we're going to take it and put it into the bowl. And to our measured out peaches in the bowl, we're going to add our lemon juice and our sugar. And then we're going to give it a stir to make sure all the sugar is moistened well. And once we have it moistened, we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes and let the sugar dissolve and juices form. And now we're going to add our pectin, and we're going to add a little bit at a time and stirring well to make sure it doesn't clump up, and just keep adding a little bit at a time. Stir a little pectin, stir until it's all incorporated in. And now we're going to stir for 3 minutes. And now that we're done stirring, we're going to just ladle it into our freezer containers, and it's ready to go. And that's it for this easy peach freezer jam recipe. If you'd like the printable recipe, look for the link in the description. And if you like these videos, be sure to subscribe. And if you'd like to be notified when we have a new video out, be sure to click the bell too. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.